Hello kids, welcome to another Fable episode. This time I have a story about a turtle and a bird. A turtle was resting under a tree, on which a bird had built a nest. The turtle spoke to the bird mockingly. "What a shabby home you have! It is made of broken twigs, it has no roof, and it looks weird. And what's worse is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my shell, is so much better than your pathetic nest." "Yes, it is made of broken sticks, looks shabby, and is open to elements of nature. It is weird, but I build it and I like it. I guess it's just like another nest, but not better than mine," said the turtle. "You must be jealous of my shell, though." "On the contrary," the bird replied, "my home has space for my family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home," said the bird happily. Well, what does that mean, kids? Better a crowded hut than a lonely mansion. See you next time. I hope you enjoyed it. Good night.